Hello everyone, welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to import the page background. Right, let's quickly get to it. So this is our Power BI canvas. To import a page background, we'll come down here to Format. So we'll click on Format. We go to Page Background. We click on Page Background. Then we'll go to Add Image. Click on Add Image. This is what we imported for our home page. Click on that and open. So typically, if we had not adjusted all those on our themes, if you had not adjusted it to make this transparent, to make transparency 0%, this will probably come this way. So as we import the page background, it will not show. So we will have to adjust to 0%. So it comes up and we change here to fit. So it fits the page. So we call this home page. Then we click on this plus sign to add a new page. So the same way, page background, add image, sales one. The same thing, we come here and make it fit. So we call this loans. Click on the plus sign, add image, 2, okay. Change this to fit. And we call this transactions. Okay. The next one, add image for tooltip. So we call this tooltip and we change this to fit. So we come back here again. We go to add another page, add image. Okay, after tooltip, we have for drill through as well. So make it fit and we call this drill through. Okay, so this is essentially all the backgrounds that we are going to use to do our visualizations here. This is all about including backgrounds on your report. So we can include this background with confidence because we've already planned our visuals and we have the layout which we want to show. So that will be all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.